थी कि we're very comfortable with each other, we're joking around always. तो आई थिंक उनको मैं और समर पसंद आ गए थे. तो वो लोग स्क्रीन पे एनी और फाखिर को नहीं देख रहे थे, वो स्क्रीन पे एना और समर को ही देख रहे थे. Which is not a bad thing, but I feel like when you're acting, that should not be the purpose. I feel like अगर आप as screen पे आप आ रहे हो as a character, people should see the character. But somehow they really liked Summer and I, so they were like, oh, ये भी इन दोनों को भी एक साथ होना चाहिए. Now, when you get married to somebody, now I've never been married, so I wouldn't know. But you know,
when a character gets married,
when a character gets married to somebody, even if you're not per se were close before the marriage, but after the marriage, you guys are kind of like forced to become friends. You're living under the same roof, and आप हमेशा एक साथ होते हो. You're like, you know, comfortable with each other. एक वो comfort zone भी आ जाता है कि आप नाइट सूट में भी, आप हर किसी के सामने नाइट सूट में नहीं आओगे, लेकिन with your significant other you'll come out and you'll talk to them no matter what happens. आप अपने दिन के बारे में बताते हो, तो वो एक comfort zone create हो जाता है, even if you guys didn't like each other before marriage. So I think that is what happened between Annie and Fakhar.
Right.
कि when they got married, they were cousins, they were living together, but they were just cousins. तो वो एक obviously निकाह बीच में आया, उन दोनों का निकाह हुआ. Now they were married, living in the same room, which is a very quite personal thing. So I think they got close to each other because they were friends. You know, they were not just enemies. शुरू में वो लोग लड़ते थे, फिर वो लोग ठीक हो गए थे कि हाँ यार अब हो तो गई है. They became, you know, a little bit like used to each other. So it wasn't like a love story, but so what happened was, when a woman is spending too much time with a man, she starts to like the man a little, and that is what happened. Annie started liking Fakhar, but Fakhar did not like her. No, Fakhar was like joking around still as cousins, but Annie started to fall in love with her husband. The husband did not like her. That was the point. कि even the husband started to like her, but that was the point कि अगर ये लोग अपनी mid-20s में होते या 20s starting में होते, तब इनकी शादी होती. तो they were compatible. They might have worked out. But because they got married at such an early age, तो वो immaturity, वो lack of patience, वो कि तुम गलत हो मैं सही हूँ, वो वाला mindset जो होता है teenagers में, obviously, because of hormones and you're going through so much, वो बीच में आ गया. That's why they got a divorce.
Characters की age क्या थी exactly?
14. I was 14, and I think Summer was 16, 17.
Right. And do you think that it was portrayed well? The idea of like the problem with child marriage and everything in the drama.
Yes,
Were you satisfied with the
very
portrayal?
much, and it was very realistic. आप when you get married to somebody, आप हर वक्त नहीं लड़ सकते. आप as a person emotionally भी थक जाते हो हर वक्त किसी से लड़ते लड़ते. तो हम लोग का point ही यही था कि they are compatible, they are good for each other.
But they're also kids.
Yeah, they work very well. तो अगर ये decision लिया जाता बाद में mid-20s में, तो शायद ये decision उनके लिए बेहतर होता. इसलिए maybe the marriage didn't work out because they were young. That was the point. That was the entire point of the drama. तो I think वो लोग थोड़े end में वो भी थे कि divorce हो गई क्यों हुई, लेकिन हम लोग awareness ही फैलाना चाह रहे थे कि look at how hurt they were.
How difficult was that character to play?
It was extremely difficult. I remember because I had a child in that character.
Yeah, exactly. Being a child yourself.
Yeah, तो like 2 बच्चियां रो रही हैं. ऐसा हो रहा था सेट पे कि मैं इसको कैसे संभालूं, बेचारी रो रही है, मैं क्या करूं. तो obviously कि मेरी एक क्योंकि there were basically 3 girls that were playing my daughter. So I became very good friends with one of them. अब उसका रोने का सीन है, वो रो ही नहीं रही, वो मेरी गोद में यूं सर रख के वो बस बैठी हुई है, मैं भी बैठी हुई हूँ उसको कि मैं किसी को हाथ भी नहीं लगाने दे रही, like नहीं रोएगी, ऐसी में कुछ नहीं होता. But then there was this one girl who used to cry a lot. मतलब वो obviously cameras, lighting, इतने सारे लोग, एक अजीब सी आंटी सी औरत मुझे उठाते हुए, लड़की उठाते हुए मुझे तंग कर रही है, और पता नहीं, मतलब obviously she got overwhelmed. तो वो रोती थी. अब मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा मैं क्या करूं. मैं उसको चुप करवा रही हूँ, मैं उसके साथ खेलने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ, मैं उसको फोन पकड़ा रही हूँ, वो चुप ही नहीं हो रही. एंड आई थिंक दूसरा तीसरा दिन था, and I was doing that and I realized that this is how Annie feels. This is exactly how Annie feels. मैं तो चलो अभी 10 बजे पैकअप होगा, घर जाके सो जाऊंगी. एक 14 साल की 15 साल की जो you know they have a kid. How do they do it? That was, I think तीसरे दिन पे या दूसरे दिन पे मुझे realize हुआ था, and I was like, this is what I'm here for. You know, this is what I'm portraying. That मैं इसको actual real life में handle नहीं कर पा रही, because I'm a kid. I don't know how to. And that is exactly how people feel. That is exactly how young girls feel. They don't know how to handle a kid because they're a kid themselves.
Of course.
And then वो character मेरे लिए special भी बहुत था. Because I truly felt like I felt like she was my friend. You know, I felt like if I wanted to be there for her as Anna.
Yeah. No, I understand what you're saying.
Yeah, I really wanted to at times give her a hug.
Yeah.
I think that made me cry more sometimes in the scene. Because I remember मेरा एक scene था जिसमें मैं तैयार हुई हुई थी और मैं स्कूल जाती हूँ और सब मुझ पे हंस रहे थे. That truly felt so humiliating, you know. And people were like कि इसने अपनी ज्वेलरी उतार क्यों नहीं दी? Annie ऐसी लड़की है नहीं. You know, Annie isn't that चालाक. चलाक भी नहीं कहेंगे लेकिन उसका वो बेचारी innocence ही है. She has so many responsibilities at home. उसको समझ नहीं आया, उसने वो पहन ली. घर वालों ने कहा तो उसने पहन ली. When I was doing that scene, I truly felt I could feel like a pit in my stomach. I could feel how incredibly gross in a way, like I wanted to step out of my body and not be laughed at. Because obviously वो आप कर रहे होते तो सब आप पे actually हंस रहे होते हैं. So it was very disturbing. It was very disturbing, but I had to regain myself. And obviously, जब वो feeling आ रही थी, तब I would relate to Annie a lot. And I'd be like, I cannot even imagine what a girl whose story is like Annie, what she goes through on a daily basis. It's a never-ending cycle. It's a never-ending cycle. And it's not something to be taken lightly. Of course, the drama was so well perceived, but when you truly think about the purpose of the drama, it was a lot. You know,
it was a lot, absolutely.
If you think about that character, she was a young girl.
Yeah.
She was so
She was a kid.
Yeah, she was so passionate about studies. And taking away someone's passion, even if you think it's good for them, it's not fair to them.
And Maya's going through more or less the same problem right now.
Maya
Although
is also going through the same thing.
She's not as young as Annie was.
But she's
still very young and
she doesn't want to get married. That blank dot period, she doesn't want to get married.
Actually, Anna, when I first saw Parvarish, and of course loved the cast, loved the concept, everything, but I still felt that you looked underage for a pre-med student because you look very young. And मैंने तो review में भी कहा कि you know she looks nothing older than a 12-year-old. मतलब you look younger than your age. You are very young, but you look even younger. Incidentally, ऐसा है कि समर के साथ बहुत अच्छी on-screen compatibility है, although he's older, but there's still compatibility. But in a drama like, for example, वो ज़िद्दी सी with Daniel Afzal, and वो भी एक निकाह का scene था, और ऐसे और ज़्यादा ड्रामे नहीं आपने किए है ना, in which you have an older co-star. But are you... Because
I normally say no to dramas
that's
like
what
that.
I was going to say. Are you getting those offers and you're saying no to them?
Yeah. I'm
you're
saying
consciously
I take out,
making that effort.
Yes.
Yeah.
I am, you know, consciously trying to do dramas that do not involve love triangles that much or like any love romantic interest. But obviously वो होता है.
Hum Tum Mein was a lighter track.
Yeah, it was a lighter track. But